Yeah.
Welcome back, everybody. Joye Law Firm, located in North Charleston, devotes just as much assistance to their community as they do to their clients. Ken Harrell joins us right now with details on the Joy in Their Community Annual Scholarship Program. Ken, thanks so much for being on the program. We do appreciate it. Tell me a little about this scholarship program, who can apply, and why you guys decided to do that.
Okay, great. Well, any high school senior in South Carolina can apply. It's all web-based as far as the application. And it was part of a bigger community project that we started, I'd say 9 years ago. We started Joy in the Community, just as a way to try to give back. And this community has been great to us for 46 years now. And as part of it, we started this scholarship program where we give away, it was 6 $2,000 scholarships each year, and then this year we actually supplemented that with another $5,000 scholarship for Scholar Athlete of the Year. So,
and you just awarded that Scholar Athlete.
We just did.
Yeah.
That young man from the Military Magnet. Great kid.
Good for him. Congratulations to him. So, again, anybody can apply for this? They have to be in certain academic standing?
Any high school senior, there's a small essay that you write about the dangers of drinking and driving for teenagers, which is something that we unfortunately see all too much of in our practice. But you can apply through the web at Joy in the Community. That's Joye, Joye, inthecommunity.com, and it's pretty easy from there. Deadline is April 1, so we would urge any senior to give it a shot. Please apply.
And again, these great scholarships, and then you had the athletic scholarship as well. Why does the law firm, why does Joye Law Firm want to give back to the community so much?
You know, a big part of it, I think like any business, we realize that having good employees and happy employees is what makes us successful.
Sure.
And so when we started this program, we were looking for a way to get our employees more engaged with the firm in terms of giving back to the community. So we have a committee each year. They pick a local charity. This year it's the Lowcountry Food Bank. Last year it was the Berry Island's Free Medical Clinic. And we commit a certain amount of money and time where our employees can get involved. And the community's been so good to us. Some of these kids who've won, 8, 9 years ago, come back to see us periodically, let us know how they're doing. It's really been a cool thing.
Yeah, that's got to be fantastic and rewarding, of course. So if there are any parents out there, maybe some students that are, homesick from school or something like that, and they say, how can I get a leg up? What are you looking for? What in that essay, what exactly are you guys looking for?
Well, I think just something, a sincere interest on their part in terms of keeping their fellow students safe and making sure, we all felt we were bulletproof when we were 18, 17, 18. But I'm here to say, unfortunately, you're not, and we see it. It's very tragic. We've seen some very tragic situations involving teenagers with drinking and driving.
Indeed, and you mentioned that everyone feels bulletproof, but a mistake now can really haunt you for the rest of your life, especially when it comes to one of those DUIs.
Oh, absolutely, and it's not just, the risk of injury or death, but also if you're the person that, God forbid, is causing that, you're right, it can ruin your whole life.
Yeah, so be careful, especially this weekend with all the St. Patrick's Day celebrations going on. Okay, so one more time. The deadline is April 1st?
I think it's April 4th.
April 4th.
I spoke right.
Okay, so make sure you keep aware of that. And how can people go get more information on these scholarships and how to get one?
You can see the website there. It's joyinthecommunity.com. Once you get to that homepage, it's pretty apparent, where to click, and then from there it'll tell you how to get the application in and what to do.
Yeah, and then Joye Law Firm, you guys specialize in personal injury cases, is that correct?
Injury and disability.
Yeah.
Whether it's a work injury, auto accident, or Social Security disability, veterans disability. But that's basically what we do. We focus on those two areas.
So if you guys need a good lawyer, there's one right there too. Well, thanks so much, Ken, for stopping by. We do appreciate it, and thanks for all you do in the community. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Much more Lowcountry break. Much more Country Live, rather, after the break. Make sure you stick around. It's Friday.